This is a review of the narrow side table that is 15.7 inch in size. It's a slim table. It also comes with a self-storage on the bottom. It's a basket. It's a space-saving table that you can use for your dorm, apartment, or your home or a studio that I'll be doing a review about. And in this review, we're going to talk about all the cool stuff and important factors about this table. So let me start by saying that this table, overall, the quality is really amazing. And one of my most favorite things about this table is that it's a small, compact size that doesn't take much space around your home. And it's, really small. It's also portable. It doesn't weigh that much. And the mass capacity size that you could fit on this table, it's about 88 pounds, I believe. And that's almost close to 100 pounds, which is a lot. And for a small compact size table, I feel like that is a lot. And you could fit pretty much your books, your shelves. It comes on a bottom shelf right here. The wood quality is really amazing as well too. You can see here that I put a MagSafe charger for my iPhone that I use right there. Then I have my extra phone right there on the bottom. You could pretty much put your remote of your TV remote, your phone, pretty much any little small part, like small thing. And on the bottom of here, the best part about this product is that on the bottom of it, you can see here that I have a jumper right here. And then right there is my blood pressure monitor. So you can fit a lot of stuff. So like I mentioned before, the jumper kit right here, blood pressure monitor right here. You could fit a lot of stuff. You could, put like books in there. I love how they built this small, shelf table. It's a really small, compact size, but you could fit in a lot of stuff in this thing, and really is amazing. Like I mentioned before, the install wise is really very simple and easy. It's very basic instructions, nothing too difficult. And I assembled this myself, and you can see here that the finished results look fantastic. The quality is really amazing. You can see here, I put my MagSafe charger right there. Then the wood quality right here, let me take this off right here. You can see the wood quality is also high quality. And it really is, this is by far one of my most favorite shelf tables that I ever, got. And it really is very sturdy. It doesn't move a lot. Like I mentioned, it fits above 88 pounds. Anything more than that, then it could probably, like fall down. But that's the mass capacity size, and all the stuff I have is not anywhere close to 88 pounds. But anyway, I would definitely recommend this product because it's very simple, easy to install. It's portable. It's pretty much pretty much you can fit a lot of stuff inside this, this small little table. Like I showed you guys a lot of things. And if you're looking for a small, compact size table that you want to pretty much put around your home, your apartment, your anywhere of your home or anything like that, then this by far is one of the best shelf tables that you could get. And I would definitely and highly recommend this product. If you're looking for a new table for your home, then this one is by far one of the best ones to get.